30, I had a bleed on my brain, which paralysed me down the right side, and life was very, very different. For the first 12 months, we almost, as a family, we grieved as if I'd almost passed away, because you grieve for the person that I was. It was a process of coming to terms with it.
Thank you ever so much. All right. Thanks, Aidan.
I never ever thought I would work again. When I got this opportunity, I at the beginning thought it was very much a meet and greet role for disabled fans on a match day. And how wrong I was. It's a huge role, and we've achieved so much. It's incredible, and I love it. The more I do, the more I want to do. We've set up a sensory hub that I'm very, very proud of, and every single item in there serves a purpose.
You know, when you go to work, normally, there's certain days where you think, oh, I don't want to get up today. I don't want to go in there. It doesn't happen here. It's an enjoyable place to come to. People come in and you tell them about the place, about the aqueduct. You tell them how to say the name. You point out that above the door there is a phonetic version. You say, take a picture of it and learn it, and then you can impress your friends with your Welsh language skills. We've all got something in common, and we're all here for a similar reason. And I think that is because we like meeting people. They want to talk to you, and they enjoy it. And I enjoy the interaction, and that's part and parcel of why I come here.
I got to go into another meeting now,
The men that had come to see me had a few anxiety issues, things like that, and we just thought, we'll set a group up, come down, have a cup of tea, have a chat, offload. And from that, we snowballed and started doing a bit of volunteering and mentoring activities as well.
I've been diagnosed with depression and anxiety. Since I've come here, I've put my skills to use. I've made friends, and it's just got me out of the slump that I was in.
It's got to be yourself, doesn't it?
It makes the place look better. People might say, oh, hey, look at that, tidy. So more people could come in.
We have 15,000 Polish people live in the area, and we didn't have anyone who can provide proper support. So we are like the bridge between the Polish and British society to translate all the problem and, you know, reach the goals. We've got lots of wonderful volunteers here.
I think I was born to do this because I love people. I absolutely love people, and I love helping them.
Pedal Power is an all-inclusive cycling facility, so that no matter what your ability is or disability, then we've got a bike that we can provide for you to ride. So I actually came here to fix bikes for them, and then fell in love with the clients. And they offered me a job as managing the place. The favourite thing is seeing the clients' faces when they come back after a bike ride. We give something to people who would not normally have accessibility to this type of environment. And I think we do it with a smile on our face, and we make people happy.
I don't know anything about bikes, but you know, it didn't matter. They just meet and greet, do what you can, you know, and that's it. This has been the longest organisation I've volunteered for. I find it extremely rewarding.
Today we're at Clwyd Special Riding Centre, where we support and encourage people to ride or to help care for the horses. I mainly sidewalk and support people with disabilities, especially with communication issues. My favourite thing is seeing the joy, just seeing the smile when they've held the reins correctly for a moment. We've had first words when they've been on the horse. just fills your heart.
Every week I come, I think I learn something new, and it's also taught me about how to communicate with people better than I did before.
I love it.
You want to climb? You can climb. You want to jump off something? You can jump off something. The specialist thing about Adventure Park is where you can have fun, you feel free, and you make new friends. If I wasn't here today, I would be playing video games all day.
Considering 4 years ago I had no idea what the venture was, and now I can't imagine leaving, I really can't. I'll do anything for the venture, and it is just the feeling of being involved in something, and it is theirs at the end of the day. It's not our venture, it's the children's.
Have you missed me over the weekend? That's all right. Oh. You're going to go and play and I'm going to see you soon? Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay, see you soon, Archie. We're like a family. I love everybody equally. And I hope they do me too. Well done, Malachi. I'm proud of you. Are you proud of yourself?
Bronson's very helpful. She was the one that helped me grow my confidence to become a volunteer. My volunteering role is to help the venture become better and discuss to people what we can do to improve the venture. Helping people makes me happy and joyful because I like to see people have smiles on their faces. If you're in Wrexham and there's one place where you want your kids to go, it's going to be Adventure Park because it's amazing. It's the best park I've ever went to.
Volunteers here at the moment are the best bunch you'll ever get. They're all really good, pleasant people, nice people who care and want to give to the community.
The community spirit and the passion that everybody's got for what we're trying to achieve. I think that's the key thing. That's the driver.
You're getting fresh air into your lungs. You can sleep better at night. It makes a lot of people happier, and I can see what I've done. It's like it calms me down.
I think if anyone would like to choose their future careers, they should start for volunteers, because you are shadowing someone and you can see what they do. They can reflect what you can do in your future life.
I have made many friendships for life. I am very proud as a volunteer.
Ryan Reynolds, it still blows me away a little bit. As Ryan left on the Saturday, the very last sentence he said to me was that he's got daughters, and if his daughters grow up to be like me, he'd be enormously proud.
Kerry makes this a very easy, inclusive experience. She makes you feel that you're not in a chair, you're a Wrexham fan first. You're not somebody who's in a chair coming to football.
No problem.
Lovely.
Yeah, see you later.
I used to go to Anfield all the time before I was in the chair. I used to never miss a match. And I couldn't go to Anfield anymore because I couldn't, get a... And then Kerry sorted this, and she's brought football and the joy that we have back into our lives. She's given us something to look forward to in the week, something to look forward to at the weekend. That's Kerry Evans, our dear goal. Nobody else's, and if they try and steal her, they'll have us to answer to.
Hiya.
I've never done anything so rewarding in my life. Wrexham Football Club has given me back Kerry. I'm very, very lucky.
You seen our new site? How good is that? We now have got it signposted so that it says, obviously, we've got our quiet zone and we've also got a sensory hub for people to use. So quite pleased that the club have bought into it and done signage to show where we are. So yeah, really pleased.